Namaskar, a very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On this crisp morning, I, Prerna, extend a very warm welcome to all present here. And here we are at the Global Education Excellence Awards 2018. Can we all start with a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? We have some of the brightest minds coming from different backgrounds with us here today to share their expertise and thoughts on challenges in Indian education fraternity, suggestion and solutions to address. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Mr. Harris Marapelli, Executive Director of Peewees Public School. Mr. Harris is here to highlight international schools' perspective. A very warm welcome to you.
Good morning, everybody. Very thankful to the Prime Time Media for giving me such a chance to talk to you on the perspective of Indian education fraternity, challenges and solutions. The best thing in Indian education is that it gives a very specific foundation for a kid, irrespective of all subjects. Whenever this trade unionism has been get off the education system, especially in the schools, then only we will be able to grow into development, because development is they don't like challenges because they have some other works to do. Anyhow, let's hope for the best. Thank you for being the patient audience. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much for sharing your words of wisdom. Ladies and gentlemen, I now take the opportunity to invite on stage Dr. Sujata S., Principal NSS Hindu College. Let's welcome Dr. Sujata on this dais, please.
Higher education system in India is at crossroads. We are yet to define and identify the exact nature and cause of higher education system, challenges and aspirations of contemporary Indian society. So it's the responsibility of every educator to make substantial contribution to the restructuring and revamping of the prevailing education system. Thank you. Thank you, Prime Time Media.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And now moving forward, to please welcome on stage Professor S.R. Daniskaran, Associate Vice President of Chitkara University, Punjab.
Good afternoon to everyone. It's an immense honor to stand in front of all of you to represent Chitkara University, the best top 15 national university situated in Punjab, and me being Associate Vice President, and I am accompanied by my colleague Dr. Mishra, who takes care of the institutional quality and accreditation. He is also there with me. I am very happy to share the stage with all of you, and have a lot of thanks for the organizers in organizing this event. Real quality education to the aspirants is the fact that is really striving hard, and it's really pushing me to the corners to see how we can engage the industry from the day one, and how we will be able to making sure the students are able to be industry ready from the day one. So with this thought process and with these words, I would like to thank all of you, and I would like to thank the organizers for the wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And I now take the opportunity to invite on the stage Dr. C. Chinnaraj, Registrar, KCG College of Technology.
It gives me great pleasure to be here and sharing with you my ideas on this day. On behalf of our college, KCG College of Technology, Chennai, our college, KCG College of Technology, is having a vision of its founder, Dr. KCG Varghese, having a concept of giving holistic education and striving hard to reach by every student to develop overall development of personal quality and better service to humanity. Then there should be a better regulatory mechanism to develop all those things in the systems. With this, I hope I have given some suggestions to the challenges in higher education system. Thank you for the organizers and management. Thank you.
Let's all welcome our distinguished dignitaries present here with flowers. We have the honor of being joined by Shri Chetan Chauhan ji. Very warm and hearty welcome to you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, will now welcome Shri Amar Singh ji, a veteran politician. A very, very warm and hearty welcome to you, sir. We now welcome Mr. Basant Kumar ji, advisor, micro and medium and small enterprises, retired IAS officer, renowned writer, consult, columnist and poet. With due respect, I now invite on the dais Shri Amar Singh ji to say a few words.
सबसे पहले मैं प्राइम इंडिया के आयोजकों को धन्यवाद देता हूं। सवाल यह है कि शिक्षा जब तक हमारे संपूर्ण व्यक्तित्व का एक अपरिहार्य अंग नहीं बनेगा, आवश्यकता नहीं बनेगा, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सेंट्रल स्कूल खुले और जिस तरह से डॉक्टर नहीं जाना चाहते गांव में, अच्छे शिक्षक भी नहीं जाना चाहते, उनको जाने के लिए प्रेरित करिए, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ठीक करिए, तभी भारत का शिक्षा का भविष्य उज्जवल होगा। बोलने का अवसर दिया, इसके लिए धन्यवाद।
Ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed an honor to invite on the dais Shri Chetan Chauhan ji to say a few words. Let's all welcome him with a thunderous applause.
प्राइम टाइम रिसर्च मीडिया के द्वारा ये जो आयोजन किया जा रहा है, उसमें आए हुए श्री अमर सिंह जी, श्री बसंत कुमार जी, श्री झा जी और इस कार्यक्रम में आए हुए सभी बुद्धिजीवी, एजुकेशनिस्ट, मैं बहुत ध्यान से सुन रहा था आप लोगों की बातें। मैं उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार में मंत्री हूं। प्लीज लिंक एजुकेशन विथ एम्प्लॉयमेंट, प्लीज लिंक एजुकेशन विथ टेक्निकल स्किल डेवलपमेंट, ITIs एंड सो दैट लोगों को नौकरी मिले। अगर नौकरी आपने नहीं मिली तो फिर कानून व्यवस्था ठीक नहीं हो सकती, चोरी चकारी रुक नहीं सकती, डकैती रुक नहीं सकती, राजनी रुक नहीं सकती, हाईवे रॉबरी नहीं रुक सकती, क्योंकि पेट की जो भूख होती है वो कुछ भी करा देती है। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, sir, for your benign presence. I request our esteemed dignitaries to please join me on dais. Let's all welcome. And now let's kickstart the much-awaited Global Education Excellence Awards 2018. Starting with the first category, the award for Best Preschool in Ghatkopar, Mumbai, goes to Pyramid Kids. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Ms. Nidhi Parekh, Director of Pyramid Kids. Let's all give it up for Ms. Nidhi Parekh from Pyramid Kids. A very congratulations to you, ma'am. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the award for Best Private Engineering College in Nagpur goes to Vidarbha Institute of Technology. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Mr. Jugal N. Maheshwari, Chairman, Dr. Sanjay S. Uttarwar, Principal, and Professor Nilesh P. Bodne, Vice Principal of Vidarbha Institute of Technology. Moving forward, the award for Most Promising Competitive Exams Coaching in Dehradun goes to Vijay Academy. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Vijay Besnit, Director of Vijay Academy, on stage. The award for Best Vocational Education Center for Placements in Mumbai goes to Inspire Academy for Aviation, Hospitality, Travel, Tourism, Cruise and Management. Please welcome on stage Mr. Dhiraj D. Batkar of Inspire Academy for Aviation, Hospitality, Travel, Tourism, Cruise and Management. And now moving forward, the award for Best Private School in Nashik goes to Darshan Academy English Medium Public School, Dev Lali. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Miss Urmila Sharma, Principal of Darshan Academy English Medium Public School, Dev Lali. Congratulations, ma'am. The award for Best CBSE Boarding School Academic Excellence in Bhubaneswar goes to Time Scholars Gurukul. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Mr. Sarda Mishra, Chairman of the Time Scholars Gurukul. And moving forward, the next award category is Most Promising Convent English High School in Navi Mumbai, and it goes to ASP Convent English High School. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Ms. Diksha Gandhi, Chairperson of ASP Convent English High School. Ladies and gentlemen, the award for Best Entrance Coaching Center in Thiruvananthapuram goes to Tandem. Please welcome on stage Dr. B. Radhakrishnan, Director of Tandem. Congratulations, sir. The award for Best CBSE School in Amritsar goes to Mount Litra Z School. Let's all welcome on stage Ms. Rupinder Kaur, Principal of Mount Litra School.